Hi, and welcome back to another video where we improve our English together. Today, we will practice using the simple past tense by filling the blanks with the correct regular and irregular verbs as we go through an exciting story. Stay until the end for a quick quiz to test what you have learned. Let's begin. Once upon a time, a young woman named Maya lived in a small village near a beautiful river. Every morning she woke up early and walked to the market to buy fresh fruit and vegetables. Lived, woke up, walked. One day, as she left the market, she heard a strange noise coming from the forest. Left, heard. Curious, she decided to follow the sound. As she stepped deeper into the woods, she saw an injured bird lying on the ground. Decided, stepped, saw. The poor bird broke its wing and struggled to move. Maya carefully picked it up and carried it home. Broke, struggled, picked up, carried. At home, she made a small nest for the bird and fed it some water and grains. Made, fed. Every day, she took care of it and watched as it slowly healed. Took, watched, healed. One morning, when she woke up, she found the bird standing at the window, ready to fly again. Woke up, found. With a smile, she opened the window and the bird spread its wings. Opened, spread. It looked at her for a moment as if to say thank you, and then it flew away into the sky. Looked, flew. Maya felt happy and proud that she helped the little bird recover. Felt, helped. Days passed, and Maya continued her daily routine. But something strange happened one evening. Passed, continued, happened. As she sat by the river, she saw a golden feather floating on the water. She picked it up and examined it closely. It shone in the moonlight like pure gold. Sat, examined, shone. The next morning, she went to the village elder to show him the feather. He told her that it was a magical gift from the bird she helped. According to an old legend, Whoever found the golden feather would be granted one wish. Went, told. Maya thought carefully and decided to wish for something that would help her whole village. She wished for fresh water to flow endlessly so no one would ever go thirsty. Thought, wished. The next day, a new spring appeared in the middle of the village, and from the moment the people never suffered from the water shortages again. Appeared, suffered. Maya became a legend in her village, known for her kindness and selflessness. And from that day on, she always believed in the power of helping others and in the magic of small good deeds. Became, believed. Now, let's review some of the past tense verbs we just learned. I'll say a sentence with a blank and you try to fill it in before I reveal the answer. Maya, early every morning. Woke up. Maya woke up early every morning. She, a strange noise in the forest. Heard. She heard a strange noise in the forest. She, the bird injured on the ground. Found. She found the bird injured on the ground. The bird, once it healed, flew away. The bird flew away once it healed. Maya, for water for her village. Wished. Maya wished for water for her village. She, the golden feather from the river. Picked up. She picked up the golden feather from the river. The feather, like pure gold in the moonlight. Shone. The feather shone like pure gold in the moonlight. The village elder heard about the legend of the golden feather. Told. The village elder told her about the legend of the golden feather. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing by writing your own short story in the comments using at least 5 simple past tense verbs. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'll see you next time.